Okay, guys, hey, just a quick update. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Um, an update to the video I released recently about Adobe Stock and Alamy.com as stock photo pages. And in the last one, I had issues with, or it's not issues, but I was wondering about some of the Adobe Stock rejected images when it came to technical issues. I had a couple of images in review there. In the meantime, I uploaded like 30 more images for review, and the technical issue came up quite often. And I said like, okay, they don't really explain what the technical issue is. Is it compression? Is it download errors, upload errors, sorry. But it turns out when you, as I said I would in that video, check the support, you actually get some valid, usable information. Um, I was quite happy with how Adobe Stock handles stuff compared to Shutterstock and Alamy. I'm even more impressed by now because the information that you get is actually quite valuable. So the technical issues turn up apparently after a reviewer, a person reviewer, not the AI, I'll get back to that in a second, sees one or more problems with the image. Those can be one of the more common ones, that like artifacts which I had in one image, um, noise or being blurry and stuff like that. If there are more than one, they claim it's technical issues. So technical issues do not really link to something that has to do with the technology or your camera or whatever, but more like, okay, there are more than one issue. There is more than one issue that does not make this image viable to go online on Adobe Stock. The forums themselves are really well handled, very informative, um, polite, really good stuff. I'm still super impressed with how Adobe Stock handles stuff. And then coming back to the AI situation, I assumed, knowing that from other photo stock pages, that you upload an image, then they run it through an AI system for a pre-analysis, and then if that gets rejected, somebody else looks at it, as a proper human person looks at it, and then they get the image gets the final verdict. Here, because I tested it, I uploaded, it's different. And I know that because I tested it. I uploaded an image, and right after upload, I got a warning about 5 seconds in, while I was still filling out the data sheet, the information on the image with the keywords and everything, that the image had compression artifacts. So the AI that Adobe Stock uses is so quick that it tells you right away if it finds a problem. And everything after that, after you submit your image, that is done by a human person. Um, and right now, um, out of 60 uploaded images, roughly, these ones are the ones that have been rejected. So just a quick update. I just wanted to let you know, and I hope you find this information valuable. I don't, after I think a week now on Adobe Stock, I haven't sold one single image, but as I mentioned in the last video, I don't expect to make a lot of money based on Adobe Stock, based on the photos that I shoot.